Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, collectives. So, all signs. Okay, so, syempre, tingnan natin ano bang meron ngayong April. So, general and love. Okay, so, again, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, yes, kung may tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun din po pagdating kay Perception of Light. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng mag-message. And syempre, don't forget our second YouTube channel na love letter. Nasa description box sa ilalim yung link. And yung ating mga items. So, yung atin pong protection from evil eye. So, meron tayong ring. Meron tayong mga bracelets. Okay. And meron din tayong necklace. Okay. So, meron din tayo about love. So, love bracelet. Okay, ito yung love bracelet. And yung ating granter necklace. So, ito si granter. So, yan siya. This is made to order po, ha? Si granter. And yung ating cord cutting. Pang cord cut. So, kung meron na kayong idea about dyan, message na lang. Okay. And kung may mga tanong rin, just message me sa FB page po, ha? Ng Fias Taro. Okay. So, maging mapagmasid lang. Tingnan ninyo. Ilan ba ang followers? Ganyan, ganito. I don't lock. Oo, yung ating profile. And nasa magsi-60 na ata tayo. 60k followers sa ating FB. So again, thank you sa mga nagsusupport and sa mga magsusupport pa. So anyway, let's start the reading. Collective. So in general, anong meron for you ngayong April? Okay, what's for you? April. Let's see. Oh, the Queen of Chalices. What's that? The Seven of Wands. Being open to love. Okay. Be careful. In general, you're so, sabihin nating, kind. Kung ikaw to, na soft, kind, sweet, mga ganyan. Alam mo sa sarili mo yan. Be careful with this. The King of Wands is here in reversed. Ito yung mga manggagamit. Okay? Sila yung mga manggagamit. Be careful. You're open. The Seven of Wands in reversed. Yeah, the Empress in reversed. Baka ganito ang mangyari. Ayaw natin yan. Okay, pasensya na po ha sa aking boses. So, ano bang meron pa? Some of you, I'm seeing here pregnancy. The Five of Chalices. Lalo na yung yung iba rito na pwedeng nagkaroon ng miscarriage. I'm seeing here another pregnancy. Okay? Yeah, the Magician. I don't know if minamanifest mo yun. Okay? So, again, wag masyadong magiging mabait. Okay? Ano lang, balanse lang. Yes, ang daming manggagamit. Ang daming pwedeng gamitin ka. Okay? Kung alam mo sa sarili mong napakabait mo, napaka-generous mo, kind, soft. Okay? Whether babae ka man, lalaki, kung ano man ang gender mo. Okay. So, what else? For the collectives. Eight of Pentacles in reversed. Six of Wands. Oh, this is nice. Pagdating sa work or pagdating sa kaperahan. Okay. Meron ditong, I think, an energy of, sabihin nating pagtaas. Okay? Pagtaas. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. So, ito na. Specific is pirmahan. Okay? I don't know kung anong meron. Some of you, this is promotion. The Six of Wands. Yeah, that's success. Okay? Promotion, the Ace of Swords. There's an offer coming in for some of you. Excuse me, for some of you. So, Iba rito, pwedeng magkakaroon na ng work kung ikaw itong walang work. Ngayong April, pwedeng may tatawag sa'yo. May imbitahan ka na tawag dyan, may interview. Okay? So, ipasa mo. Yeah, ipasa mo. Okay? So, hindi iiwasan ang mga inggit dito. May mga evil eye. Okay? So, better be careful. Oo, sa mga pagsasabihan. No, mas maganda hindi mo muna ipagsabi. Kung alam mo to or kung meron nga. Okay? Kung mangyayari pa lang. Yeah. So, in general, there's this energy pagdating sa leveling up or progress. Okay? There's this progress. Pagtaas. Credit. Meron ako naririnig credit. Meron din ako naririnig dito na parang merit. Okay? Andun din yung energy ng unexpected income. I don't know. Okay? Kung anong meron. So, iba rito, sinasabi na if you have this like business, kahit hindi mo daw masyadong pag-effortan, nakakuha ko dito ng sabihin nating marami pa rin. Customers, clients, if ever. Okay? Bumabalik. Parang ganyan. Yeah. Kahit hindi ka masyadong magbigay effort, I think. Pero syempre, no, porque sinabi ko yung ganun, di mo na e-effortan. Syempre, gawa ka pa rin. Okay? Mas maganda na yun. Safe. So, what else? Yeah, the Queen of Pentacles. What's with that Queen of Pentacles? Some of you, this is talking about your health. Judgment in reverse. Okay, so merong mga mababawas or sabihin nating malilesen. Okay? Stress, maybe. Yeah, this is stress. So, mas maganda, mas magiging okay. Medyo peaceful ang April para sa atin. Okay? Walang masyadong hanash, walang masyadong rant. Ako nakikita rito. Kasi parang may mag-stop. What's with this judgment in reversed? Yeah, the Eight of Chalices. May mga aalisan, may mga lalayuan. Okay, merong hindi na bibigyang effort or hindi na ipipilit. Something like that. Okay? So, pagdating sa health, meron din ako nakukuhang energy ng paggaling. Okay? Meron ako nakukuhang energy na pwedeng gumagaling. Okay? Kasakit, maybe. Yeah. The Fool in reverse, yes. So, the Ten of Swords. So, merong mga mababago pagdating sa health or pagbabago pagdating sa habits, maybe. Sa pagkain. Okay, healthy living. Meron ako nakukuhang ganyan. Yeah, the King of Pentacles. Being responsible. Pagdating sa sarili, I guess. Managing. Okay, if ever, kung ikaw itong sabihin natin kailangan mo maging active, do it. Active physically. Okay, hindi yung parang nakaupo lang tayo palagi. Lalo na yung mga work from home. Okay, yung mga work from home dyan. Changes pagdating sa kaperahan. Yeah, overall, this is nice. Wala naman tayong masyadong nakikitang hindi okay dito. Pag na meron naman, sinasabi ko naman. Okay, so there. Mabuti lang. Oo, mabuti at ganun. So, tayo tumungo na. Yun lang ating nakikita. Yun lang. Okay, yun pa lang. Oo. Ating nakikita pagdating sa general. May mga specific rin. So, tayo tumungo sa love reading. Okay. So, ano bang meron? Anong papasok? Oo, pagdating sa love ng mga collectives. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, anong requirements para matawag kang collectives? ng Fiestaro, dapat naka-follow ka. Or dapat naka-subscribe ka. Okay? Yes, para alam ko. Okay. So, let's see. For my collectives, what's for you in love? Ngayong April, anong paparating sa'yo in love? Okay. Justice Universe. Okay, what's that? The World. So, andito yung never-ending issue. Some of you, this is legal. This is parang energy of unfinished business. May nakikita ko, totally, medyo magiging okay na. So, siguro kakanood, no? Kakanood ng Fiestaro. No, parang, oo. Mas maganda. So, we have here lovers. Okay? So, may chance, if ever, kayo itong, sabihin natin, meron nang napoprolong na lang na energy about separation, then, I think, nakikita ko na pwedeng magkakaroon ng mga usapin. Okay? Usapin. Pwedeng merong i-fix. Pwedeng merong aalisan. Okay? So, saan kayo doon? Kanya-kanya yon. So, in general, may mangyayaring pag-uusap. Okay? Pagdating sa mga issue na hindi pa na-fix or hindi naaayos or whatsoever. Okay. So, what else in love? Pagdating sa mga collectives, the Knight of Pentacles in reverse, and the Wheel of Fortune. Yeah. Tingnan natin itong Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Something is coming in fast. Uy! Uy! The Ten of Chalices. The Ten of Chalices. Ito na ang ginugusto mo, collectives. Yung sinasabing happy ever after. Yung taong gusto mo. It's coming in. The Wheel of Fortune is here. I think some of you, yung person mo is parating na this April. Yung person. Okay? Hindi fling, hindi playtime. This is your person. Okay? Yeah. Some of you, ikaw to, still holding on to something or to someone from your past. So, mabablock to. Because you're still holding on sa pain. Okay? Sa sakit, kung ano man, galing sa past. Yeah. See, the Queen of Wands universe, mababa ang energy. Kung matagal na to, sayang. Paparating na sana. Kung ikaw, nag-workout ka sa sarili mo, nag-heal ka, mas pinili mo sarili mo, then, congrats. Makukuha mo na. Sabihin nating makikilala mo yung taong para sa'yo talaga. This April. This is nice. Yeah, that's nice. Meron ditong proposal. Yeah, meron ditong magsasettle down. What else? For the collectives, when it comes to love, ngayong April, the Star in reversed. Ang dami ditong major arcana. Halos major arcana ang nalabas. What's with the Star in reversed? The Hermit. Isolating. Some of you have to isolate yourself. You have to heal. Okay? So, sinasabi rito, ikaw sa sarili mo, alam mo sa sarili mo kung kailangan mong mag-heal. Okay? Huwag mong babaliwalain. Sayang to. Baka hindi ibigay. Two of Cups, Six of Pentacles, baka hindi ibigay. Okay? The Queen of Swords, stop being afraid. Okay? Stop being afraid, if ever. Being afraid na maging alone. Ayun po ha, ang nakikita kong isang magiging hinder. Okay? Somebody. What's with the Star in reverse? Let's see. Yeah, the Knight of Chalices. Somebody's into you. Pero they're not like hopeful. Okay? They're not hopeful na makakausap ka or what. Okay? Yeah, the Emperor in reverse. They're not ready. I don't know why. Why the Hermit? Some of them, they're like introvert or shy type. Okay? Yeah, the Queen of Swords. So, it's like, nakaka-intimidate. Itong taong to, gusto ka nito laging nakikita. Yeah. Okay? So, para siyang namamagnet sa'yo. Parang kailangan na kailangan ka niya laging makita. They're happy every time they see you. Whenever you're near. Parang ganyan. Okay? This person likes you though. Yeah, hindi nga lang makakapagtapat or sabihin natin magiging open pagdating sa emotion. Pwede kasing natatakot i-reject or what. Or maybe they're not ready lang. Okay? Meron kasing taong gusto ka gumugusto sa'yo, pero some of them may chance na hindi pa rin totally healed. Pwedeng kakaalis lang sa isang connection. Parang ganun. Yeah. The Three of Chalices. So, maybe, may chance na maging friends muna kayo nitong taong ito. Colleagues. Parang ganyan. Okay? Nasa small circle lang kayo nitong taong to, I guess. Kilala mo to. Nakikita mo na yan. Yeah. Pero hindi mo lang ata ito masyado napapansin. Pero, eventually, nakikita ko itong taong to is kukonek sa'yo. Unti-unti. Like, yeah, parang tataas-taasan ka ng kilay. Yeah, oo. So, mga ganung bagay. Yeah. See, meron ditong offer of love The chalices, the Ace of Chalices na naka-reversed. So, I think, gagawa na ito ng paraan. Kahit papaano, para magkaroon kayo ng connection. Okay? So, again, meron din ditong energy ng somebody from your past still wanting na magkaroon ng, ang tawag dyan, reunite. Magkaroon ng union muli. Reconciliation, I guess. So, yeah, tayo tumungo na. So, yan na nakikita ko for you in love. So, tayo tumungo na sa person on your mind. Okay? The collectives ng Fiesta Tarot. Collectives. So, the person on your mind. Okay, who is this? Who is this? Oh no, the Ace of Swords. Pwedeng hindi mo siya kausap ngayon. Or pwedeng nagsinungaling sa'yo itong taong to, may tinago, something like that. They're confusing. Parang ganyan. What's with this Ace of Swords universe? Could be an air sign. The Nine of Wands. You don't trust them. Yeah, you don't trust this person. Or you can't. Yeah. Some of them, they're like, hirap maging vulnerable or open. Some of you, nahuli mo to. May nahuli ka sa kanya. So, anong meron pagdating sa situation? Anong kailangan malaman ng mga collectives? The Queen of Chalices in reverse. They're selfish. Sabihin nating talagang mapagtago itong tao. Yeah, the Justice universe. I don't know. Pwedeng meron tong iniingatan. Kaya niya ginagawa yun. Okay? Or nagiging play safe lang, I think. Some of you, this is a new person. Mga collective. Somebody like a new love interest. Wanting na maging open. Gusto maging open sa'yo. Vulnerable, whatsoever. Gusto makipagkilala, mga ganyang bagay. Pero, yeah, the Ace of Pentacles is here. Some of you, kasamahan mo to sa work or sa school, sa isang environment na palagi mong pinupuntahan everyday, I guess. Nakikita ka niya palagi. Okay, could be a Scorpio. We have here Libra. Yeah, pwedeng friend mo or nasa circle of friends nyo lang ito. Some of them, takot sila na maging vulnerable. Takot sila na may malaman ka sa kanila. Something like that. Okay? So, ano ba talaga ang emosyon nitong taong to? They like you though. The Five of Swords. So, gulong-gulo si Ferzen. Gulong-gulo siya. Hindi niya rin alam. They're throwing you mixed signals, I guess. Okay, they're giving you mixed signals. And the Wheel of Fortune in reversed. Kung meron kayong issue nito sa past, parang yes, gusto niyang na mag-usap kayo, pero hindi niya kaya. Hindi niya kaya mag-approach, hindi niya kayang gumawa ng way para magkaroon ng pag-uusap, I think. Some of them hindi pa nakaka-recover, hindi pa nakaka-move on from this. Yeah, they still want you. Some of them nakakuha ko dito ng stalking. Nag-i-stalk sa'yo itong tao. Okay, they're like keeping tabs on you, watching you. Okay. Same lang din ng new person. They're stalking you. They're interested. Let's see, what is their next action? What is their next action for you, collectives? The person on your mind. Their next action. Okay. The Two of Wands. So, that's being open. Being open. The Two of Wands in reverse. That's, like, execution ng mga plano, mga ganyan. Yeah, the Nine of Chalices. The Nine of Chalices. Ipapakita ng taong to talagang gusto ka. Pero, maguguluhan ka kasi hindi sila totally parang open, like sasabihin whatsoever, like throwing you mixed signals. Okay? So, nakakuha ko dito na pwedeng mapapansin ng iba, hindi lang ikaw. Mapapansin ng iba na gusto ka nitong taong to. Yeah. If this is a past person, they will make themselves like vulnerable pagdating sa'yo. Yeah. Let's see. Potential outcome this April para sa inyong dalawa. The Queen of Swords in reversed. Why? The Seven of Swords. This is energy ng takot. So, pwedeng hindi pa rin totally magkakaroon ng pag-open up, like sabihin nating transparency or palagayan ng loob. Okay, parang ganyan. Wala pa rin ako nakukuha energy ng progress or improvement dito. So, yeah, the Ten of Wands. So, magiging burden. Kasi parang kayong nagkakapaan itong taong to. Parang playing lang or mind game, head games, yan. Parang ganyan. So, sana, magkaroon na ng sabihin nating energy about transparency. Okay, both sides, maybe. Okay, the Queen of Swords kasi, kung ano man, kunyari, siya yung may takot, hindi niya masasabi, hindi niya magagawa everything, kung anong kailangan niyang gawin. Whether yung past man or new. Okay, parang dapat kailangan yung maging vulnerable, both sides. Parang ganyan. Okay? Kasi we have here the Justice, actually. Justice, that's the truth. Genuine. Parang ganyan. Okay? Yeah, the Four of Chalices in reverse, the Two of Swords. Okay, so there's doubts or what ifs, mga ganyan, overthinking, mga sabihin nating baka sakali, if ever, mga ganyang bagay, baka hindi maging okay. Yeah, we have here the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Hindi natin masisisi, iba sa atin is hindi pa rin totally healed. Or maybe sila. Okay, so, yeah, healing is napaka-important dito. Page of Wands in reverse. The Six of Pentacles. Ang nakikita ko talaga dito is, okay, yeah, parang magka-connect kayo, pero para kayong, ang tawag dyan, naguhulaan. Oo, para kayong naguhulaan. So, yun ang kulang. Yun ang kulang. Yung, maybe, label. Okay, label. Or talagang pagiging open. Yung yung energy pagdating sa emosyon nandoon, pero may kulang. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, yeah, yun ang akin nakikita for you, collectives. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page. And yung pong ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter, nasa description box below. Pakihanap na lang po yung link. So, kita-kita tayo doon. I think bukas or mamaya ako babasa muli, no, ng love letter ng mga, ang dami na, it's so tambak-tambak na, o, diba? So, again, yes, thank you, goodbye.